I should do the intro here, shouldn't I? Hello, my name's Neil, and this is the Dad Delivers vlog. And today we are in Legoland, Windsor. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try and show you as many Legoland Windsor attractions as possible, so you can help choose your rides before you go. We're here.
Is that London?
Yeah, that's London over there. It's Windsor Castle. So we're going for the spider first, the spinning spider. Wow, he's really going for it. So you're in the capsule and you spin it around by hand and you kind of turn yourself with a wheel. Yeah, some of the dads are going for it a bit too hard. Here we go, ready? Oh, dad spin. Oh. I thought the ride was a bit short, but actually it's a bit too long. Destiny's Bounty. It's a quick review of, it looks like a spinning ship.
The queue is short, dude.
Hang on.
The queue is short there. Dude, the queue is short there.
Yeah, but it's just a spinning ship, isn't it? So we're going to Heart Lake City now, through the land of the pharaohs. I'll try and show you some rides on the way. There's the Aero Nomad. We haven't been on it, but for Aero... Oh, sorry, out of 10.
That's a ride.
For 8, Thunder Blazer. You want to go on it? Do you want to go on it?
Like the swings and the...
Yeah, do you want to? He looks how I feel. So we're in Heart Lake City, Mia's Riding Adventure. Oh, shop! I'm gonna buy a Lego Friends cap if one exists. So this isn't a harsh criticism, but it's, what time is it? 11 o'clock, and the hand sanitizers are empty. At least people are using them though. But we had a theory that the rides that appealed to girls probably use the hand sanitizer up the fastest than the Dirty Boys rides. This is Lego City. Wow, there's a little Lego City building on top of it. That's good. Oh, this is the food area. Octan vending machines. We're debating whether or not to get one of those refillable cups. What do you think?
Yeah, they're quite fun.
Okay. Oh, it's a display thing. Oh, that's nice. Dancing. But the lack of social distancing makes it a bit difficult to see. Does anyone look like You always know it's good when the first question is, how long are you upside down for? Okay, that was funny. I thought that made me laugh because the ride turns you upside down basically.
You were screaming like a girl. You're
I
like,
was screaming like a girl.
I give it a 9.
Quick ride for the wait, but
it wasn't like scary.
I'm not sure I would have wanted to stay on it longer. Oh, you know when you see a VIP pass and they've got kids with no hair. Oh, kind of puts the queuing in perspective, right? Put the menu for Brooks Restaurant on screen now so you can see how much it costs when I was here. And it looks like you've got the hotels, the hotel rooms up there. £15 for a refillable cup. What do you think about that?
Unless you can refill it 15 times, let's see.
Yeah. Creature Encounter. Looks closed. Creature Creation. So we can build some bits in with a bucket of Lego. Pizza and pasta buffet, $15.99. Heart Lake Cafe. Ice cream parlour in Heart Lake City. Oh, this is the first aid store. That's what we needed for the wasp sting that we had. Wasps are a real problem here. Of course, the first aid store would be in Heart Lake City because, you know, the Lego Friends care. This is the Lego City Fire Academy. It's one of the first rides you can get to when you enter the park, so the queues tend to be big from the outset. I like this ride because they try to get you to do it as quickly as possible. Leicester Square, Covent Garden, sorry, other people filming it. There's Covent Garden that we were in the other day, Post Office Tower, I won't plug BT, Trafalgar Square, this looks like 10 Downing Street down here. Big Ben. There's a bus pulling in, it's clever. Just past St Paul's. With the London Eye in the background, City Hall. We've got Waterloo back there, we'll take a look at that in a minute. Tower of London, Tower Bridge. Lloyd's of London. Wow, that's amazing. Hope it's insured. I've not seen that, I don't think. There's Canary Wharf there. And the Gherkin. When I got here, I thought, oh, nice. There's some people in costumes here. And then realised, no, that's actually what they're wearing. Oops. Oh. Okay, here's a pro tip. So if, like me, you've not bought your parking in advance, you have to buy a ticket when you're here. But you do that at the ticket office at the front gate, and obviously at closing time there's a massive queue there. So if at some stage during the day, I've had to come back to the car to get a battery to keep this camera going, and I've got my car parking ticket now with no queue there whatsoever. So you might want to try that if you want to get your parking in before you leave. There's like a thing that you scan at the gate, so you've got to come back and pay for it at some stage anyway. Here are two other tips. There are a lot of wasps here, and it's been like that the last time we came here years ago, like 4 or 5 years ago. There seems to be like a real wasp problem here. So bring some wasp allergy things if you need them, or some wasp sting cream, because our daughter got stung. Oh, poor thing. And luckily we had the antihistamine tablet, but we haven't got the cream. So you might want to come prepared for wasp action. Empty. Wow, the shop looks great. Oh, there's a cat. Right. I think that's the one. So this is Pirate Falls, and we've waited 90 minutes for this ride, so I'm sure it's worth the wait.
No, there's nearly a drop.
Is it
Yeah.
worth the wait?
Probably, I'm not sure.
Okay, so this took 1 hour 50 minutes, and we're just at the front now. Okay, I'm not allowed to film on this, so I'm not going to be able to show you much of the ride, but I'll show you as much as possible as I can after we spent nearly 2 hours queuing for it. You get squirted at. Oh, that's nice. You don't know. You don't know which gun is going to go off. That went straight into the camera.
That went down my t-shirt.
That's not us. It was good. It was good. So it's like 2-hour wait for a 3-second drop. Yeah, I'd give that a 10. Oh. We've stopped off for an ice cream. I can't remember the name of this place.
Ben.
But it's very good. I know,
Oh,
quite right.
oh, okay, we do.
I think you've got to shoot stuff. Green things. Oh. Oh. Someone's got out.
Got out or done something unsafe.
Someone's taken a dump in their car. Oh, hey, we should be able to. Oh, you can't shoot. Wow, this is actually quite a scary ride. Wow.
Wait a minute. Just listen.
Woo!
Stop.
Oh look. Do you think we lost all the points? I had 0.
I have so many. What are you meant to shoot?
Okay, so there's a little bit of a problem with this ride.
Can we restart?
That's okay.
He stopped due to someone standing up.
Oh, thank you. Glad it's not us. It's like the first rule of theme park is don't stand up.
Even on a bench. Oh yeah, because your cheap spiders because someone's shoot everything. No, you can't.
Look, right, aim for the thing.
I'm enjoying sitting down.
Look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the camera down to see if I can get a better score when I'm not filming. Okay, so it was just a Tannoy announcement to say they've got to abandon the ride and shut it down. Do you think someone got hurt?
We just spent our time.
I know we spent our time, but it's exciting, we're in an emergency situation.
Management are coming and they'll be 10 minutes.
For the abandoned ride.
When someone stands
There we
up,
go.
They can seriously get hurt.
it automatically
There we
stops.
go.
The ride
Maybe
automatically
someone
stops.
stood up and when it stopped the monorail they fell forward.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's all going on over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the body start to restart and you remain seated.
Woo! Okay, right, take aim. Right, so I'm going to stop the camera now to get a good score and we'll see if we can get an extra ride out of it. So it stopped again.
I swear we could have fit in like 2 rides in this time.
Yeah, I know, we could have done.
It stopped again.
We could have done. The park closes in half an hour. And the ride has stopped again.
I swear they better give us something for it. They'd be wasting our time.
Oh, there's management. Management's coming.
Okay. I'm going to have to take you out here.
Oh, okay.
Get you to put your lap bars forward for me, please. Super stuff. And put forward, that's it. That's it. And then follow me back this way, please.
You go first.
It's exciting, isn't it? Wow, so we're walking backwards through the ride. Here we go. Ooh. Yeah.
If you head up towards Adele.
Thank you.
Adele, just to speak to the ride area, just telling them that we're taking everyone up.
What was that?
Just speak to the ride area. Okay, cool.
Yeah, straight through, guys.
Thank you. Wow, so that was the laser. I'd give that an 8. I think that was pretty good.
I give that.
I give that a 10, that was fun.
That was fun. I've never been on a boat.
Yeah, let's go.
But actually, maybe a 9.
Okay. We get the picture. Where's us? That's us. Oh no, we got 0.
We didn't even get a photo.
I know. Oh well. Yeah, not much of an apology there, given we'd waited to get for that one. It's Legoland. Is that really how you treat people when you break the ride? It's quite impressive. Just front it out, get everyone off. So that was Laser Raiders. Okay, so we're going to try Viking River Splash. There's a 25-minute wait and the park closes in 20 minutes, so it'd be interesting to see how that goes. I'm still a bit surprised that they kicked us off a ride and
I know why they kicked us off.
With nothing.
I know why they did
Why?
They kicked us off because they were worried that people would keep on going on it until they close.
Okay, so this is another situation where I can't use the camera on the ride, so I'll just give you a shot of someone going round on it, someone else going round on it, and we'll see you on the other side for a score.
I am Neo's child and this is what that looks like. So you have to hold on and basically you go around this like whirlpool river thing.
Is Legoland Windsor thumbs up or a thumbs down or a wiggle in the middle? Thumbs up.
Like that.
Yeah, with slightly crooked thumbs up. Okay. Well, give it a double thumbs up and a high five, I think, would be having some kind of procedure where if you kick someone off a ride that breaks down, that, you know, makes them feel like they haven't wasted half an hour of their life. Sort out the Costa coffee store. That tasted disgusting. Costa are not bringing a good thing to your park, I'm afraid, Legoland. Bits of it look a bit tired, perhaps a bit shabby, and given, look how many people there are, they can afford it. They can afford a bit of paint here and there. Legoland needs to sort out the wasp problem. The wasp problem is a problem. But all in all, I think that's a big thumbs up. There's a qualified thumbs up, and the cap, very happy with it. So thank you, Legoland. Leave me a comment below if you've been here before.
Why are you peeing in the women's area?
Dude, if you can help me get to 1,000 subscribers, I'd really, really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?